Hi YouTube, so actually I don't wear any makeup in this video because I got request to do a makeup video, so I'm doing it right now. No, nothing on, like nothing. I have barely any eyebrows and have acne all over the face and stuff, but yeah, I'm on meds for that, so I'm not. It's better than it's ever been since I was like 12. So yeah, it's quite awesome. So I'm just sitting on my couch and watching House, the last season, and making some dreads, synthetic dreads. And sorry I deleted the like apartment tour, but I'm going to make a new one because my boyfriend got a fisheye lens thingy, and that makes it more like I don't have to move the camera as much, so you are able to see more. So when he got home, when he gets home from work, I'm going to do that. I'm just gonna get my ass off the couch and clean the apartment because we had well, I had a party a few days ago and it's still like glass bottles and stuff in the kitchen. Yeah, but I've done the dishes, so yeah. And yeah, so I'm sitting in the couch with just some cozy clothes and my kitties right next to me, and just watching some YouTube and some House and doing some dreads. So I might as well show you how it looks when I do my dreads. I'm not gonna show you like how I do it, but I'm going to show you where my work spot is, because right now this is what I do. Like most of the days I'm just sitting on the couch and watching movies and series and drinking tea and Monster and doing some dreads. Yeah, so there's a bunch of dreads, and let me see. There's a bunch of dreads. There's a bunch of dreads, and here is a lot of dreads. Here's a red ones, and let me see, here's a lot random dreads, and here is a full head with purples and whites and stuff, which are pretty, and those are pink. And whoop, I got some petrol things, Monster tea and my steamer. So yeah, whoa. Okay, no, hold on. Okay, and yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna put the camera here and okay, great. This is not the best angle, but yeah, anyway, I don't have to sit and hold the camera. So yeah, I want to show you my cat because he's so cute. He's really cute. I'm sorry for showing boobs. Cosmos! Come there, Cosmos! Come there! Cosmos! Come there! Come there! Come there, Cosmos! Igor! Here he is! And he's really cute, and he's cozy, he's like a lap cat, so he just like lays everywhere, and he got the cutest stomach ever. Oh, it's so fluffy. And he smells nice. Meow. Yeah, so he's cute. I love him. Oh, Sorry, wow, that is inappropriate. Did not mean to. So, but this angle is not really the best one. So yeah, and I'm going to make a makeup tutorial tomorrow. As I said, I'm on medication for the acne problem, so and it just started, so I'm going to take this in 6 months. So, oh, the dishwasher is done. Nice. Okay, so anyway, so I'm going to take this in 6 months, and it's gonna be a lot better. We will see how it goes, but I'm going to upload this now. And yeah, it's just a really random video, but I just want to make a video. So, because I'm quite bored actually. So, because it's like me and the kitty, all by ourselves, all by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself. Okay, so obviously I'm not gonna search for like America's Got Talent or something. This was fun, I guess. Really random, not very, not scripted at all. Well, obviously. So yeah, this is just me, no editing, I hope, or we will see. Okay, so have a great day, and I like you. I like you. Yeah, and you over there. Okay, I like you all, and I think it's really fun that I make just random videos, and I kind of don't want to end this because I think it's really fun to just talk to the camera. Well, I'm really bored. I gotta go to the gym. Yes, that is what I will do. I'm going to go to the gym and drink some more tea. Oh, or Monster. Monster. This is my favorite one. And it's really tasty. In this angle, my jaw looks huge. Wow, you almost saw my like nostrils inside. It's really pretty. No, God, I'm so lonely that I think this is fun. Obviously my boyfriend works and I'm home alone, and usually I have like meetings and stuff, and someday I work, someday I'm here doing dreads, someday I do a lot of stuff, but not today. So yeah, I love my glitter plugs. I love them. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video, I think. Oh, and I just come up with a thing that I want to mention. My extensions. I have a video on how I glue them in, but this is not that method. I use nail hair, so like that shit. Yeah, and yeah, I just wanted to say that to all of you because it's better, and you can get it at a hair salon. It's pretty expensive mostly, but it's worth it, especially if you do it yourself. Yes, I do it myself, full head. I know, I'm crazy. I have never heard of anyone doing that on themselves, like in the back with the heat and stuff. I want you guys to follow my Instagram. That would be fun. Cause yeah, cause I post there like mostly every day, and sometimes like several times a day. So yeah, just very random stuff. I don't have like a nice theme on my pictures or something. It's called Inspector Pink. I will write it down below so you can go follow me. It would be nice. And leave a comment, so maybe I will follow you back if I think you're interesting enough. No, really, I like to follow like random people. Go follow me and I will check you out. I'm going to end this really random video and I'm going to put it up no matter how silly I look. Because, yeah. Okay. So, that's it. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.